Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Vinnie here, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a headlight bulb on a 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord. And the tools that you guys are going to need for this is either a flathead screwdriver or a clip remover tool, as well as a Phillips head screwdriver. And then I just have a pad to kneel on. And the bulb that you're going to need is a 9006. That's the size. I will have links in the description for everything you see in this video. All right, so we're going to be doing the driver's side low beam headlight. So what we're going to first do is jump in the car and we're going to turn the wheels all the way to the right, which is the passenger side. All right, with the wheels turned all the way to the right, that'll give us access inside of this wheel well to access the headlight. So what you're gonna first wanna do is remove the clip that's right here. There's also a Phillips head screw that's up here. And if you want a little bit more room, there's a couple other clips up here that you can remove. So I'm just gonna start by getting this one out. And some of the cars, you know, have missing clips in the wheel well, so you might not have to remove all of these. But basically what we're trying to do here is get this wheel well splash guard, pull this back so we can get our arm up in there to access our headlight. Here's just a close-up of the clips that you remove. You could either use a flathead or I prefer a clip remover tool. It'll be closed, and what you'll do is you'll slide the pick or flathead in there and kind of pull that middle tab up, which will release the clip. All right, now we can peel this wheel well plastic back, and right up there you guys can see that white clip right here. That's an electrical connector that connects to your headlight. So there's a tab right here on the top. You're gonna push that tab in and then push the entire clip down, and it should pop right off like that. And that's how you remove the electrical connector off of the bulb. All right, next you should note the orientation of the bulb. You can see it's just vertical, straight up and down. What you're gonna do is grab this bulb and we're gonna twist it counterclockwise like that, and then pull it straight out. And then that's how you'll remove the bulb. All right, now we have our new bulb. Again, this is a 9006. That's the number for the bulb. You typically do want to wear rubber gloves when you do this, because you do not want to touch your bare finger on the bulb, because it'll take the oils off of your finger. That'll stick to the bulb and it'll lower the lifespan of your bulb. So if you're not wearing gloves like me, just do not actually touch the bulb. So when the bulb was in the car, it was straight vertical. We twisted it counterclockwise to remove it. So when we install it, we're going to put it back in on an angle, and then we'll twist it clockwise to the vertical position, and that will lock it back in. What you're basically doing is these little tabs around the edge of the bulb slot in, and that's just a closer view so you guys can see what it looks like. So now I'm going to install this bulb back in. Put it in on an angle, and I like to push it till it's flush, and then we're going to twist it clockwise like that, and you'll hear it click, and that should be it. Now the bulb's back in, and then all we have to do next is grab the electrical connector, and you're gonna get that tab part that's gonna be facing you like this, and gonna slide that on there and then push it up, and you'll hear a click. Just like that, and that's basically it. Now you can get your wheel well plastics and just push that all back in where it was, and then just replace any clips that you may have removed. And that's basically it. Now we can just go and test the headlight. All right, so you're gonna put the key in, and we're gonna turn our headlights on, come around to the front. And it's a little hard to see, but yeah, there is the new headlight. Everything works good. The other side already works great. All right, guys, and that's about it. That's how you replace a headlight bulb on a 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord. If this video helped you guys out, please leave me a like. If you guys have any questions at all, leave them down in the comments. I'll get back to you. And if you're looking for more of this kind of content, then hit that subscribe button, because there'll be plenty more videos coming your way. Appreciate you guys sticking through with me on this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.